video. I have created this Falgun look for beginners so that they can create a amazing glam Falgun look without any skill. So stay tuned, keep watching the video and let me know how you like the video in the comments. And if you try this look, also let me know in the comments. So enjoy this video. So today I'm going to create a Pohela Falgun look for the girls who are beginner and who doesn't still have the skills for a pro glam look. So this video is for them. So let's start. I have already prepared my skin with moisturizer, lotion and sunscreen. Preparing skin is very important, otherwise your makeup will not set. Then just take your regular foundation, whichever you use. If you have any sun glow mixer or any illuminator, you can use it, or you can mix your lotion with your foundation to lighten up its consistency so it will go smooth on your face. I'm just going to take a very small amount of foundation because we want a natural looking look. And I'm going to mix it this illuminator from Glam. This is a sunburst glow mixer. And now that I'm done mixing it, I'm going to apply it on my face like this. And now I'm going to blend my foundation. So now that I am done applying my foundation, I'm going to apply concealer. I'm using Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is a bit brighter than my original concealer shade. I want a bright under eye, but a tiny bit goes a long way. Now I'm going to let it set for a few seconds, then I will blend. I'm going to apply a little bit of contouring. Look, you can skip these steps if you do not wear foundation or you do not like to wear any base product. Just concealer is enough. I just want to do all the steps, so if anyone wants to try it, they know what to do. So I'm using Glam cream contour. This is in the shade Tawny Amber. I'm going to use very small amount, 2 small dots, 1 small dot, 1 small dot, just a little bit of shadow. Now after contouring, I'm just going to take my foundation brush and blend everything together. Concealer, foundation, contour, everything. Now I'm going to set my entire face. So I'm going to set my eyes first, and for that I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow, and I'm going to take this side. This is actually a compact powder. I'm going to use a puff to set my eyes and first even it out on my hand, and then I'm going to apply it. Now I'm going to set my entire face with the same powder but with a brush. I'm just going to gently tap it on my face so that my makeup is set for whole day. See, the reason you want to use a pressed powder to set your face so that your base makeup will not budge the entire day. Okay, so your entire face is set and you don't have to worry about it. I have set my face and now I'm going to start my eye makeup. So for that I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty palette. This one is number 4. This is a perfect palette for your Falgun look. So first I'm going to set my base. I'm going to take this shadow and apply it all over my eyelid. And see, now we have a very smooth base. I'm going to mix these two taupe shadow, okay, this one and this one, and apply this to above my crease line, okay, just above your crease line. This is very pigmented, and always create a V on your outer corner so that your eyes will look sharp. You can take another brush or you can use the same brush, that's completely fine. Now I'm going to use this orange eyeshadow on the same brush and apply it all over my eyelid. First tap the color and then blend, okay. Now you have a very gradient orange eyeshadow. I'm taking a different brush for shimmer eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take this shimmer shadow from the palette and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Just on the lid, don't go above the lid. You don't need any skill to create this eyeshadow. This is so easy to create. All you need just 2 brushes and a eyeshadow palette. whichever eyeshadow palette you have. Now I'm going to take the previous brush and use it on my lower eyelash. So I have orange eyeshadow under my eyes. I'm not taking any extra product. Whatever is left on this brush, I'm using that one. Now I'm just going to take the brush I used for shimmer eyeshadow and use it under my eyes so that it is going to give a shine. Now just dust off the fallouts. I'm taking my brown eyeliner, kajal liner from Beauty Glazed, and I'm just going to create a line from the outer corner of my eyelid to the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, it does not need to be perfect. Now I'm taking an angular brush and I'm going to take this brown burgundy shadow with this dark brown color. Okay, mix them together and blend my kajal with it. Okay, now you have a smoky eyeliner. Now take this burgundy eyeshadow and apply it on your lower eyelash and connect it with your outer corner. See, eyes are looking more defined. Now I'm just going to apply a nude kajal on my waterline and I'm going to tightline my eyes with this same brown eyeliner. You can also use a white kajal if you want. I'm using this technique Mega Lash mascara. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer. So I'm going to use this one. So for blush, I'm going to use this Beauty Glazed Velvet Super Matte Lip and Cheek Duo. This is a cream product. So I'm going to use my hand to blend this. I'm going to apply it and blend it at the same time. Okay. And I have still left on my hand. This is so pigmented. I'm going to apply a bit on my nose. If you don't have a cream blush, you can always use a lipstick. I'm going to use this bronzer to fill up my brows. You can use one product for multiple purposes. You don't have to have a lot of products. I'm using Makeup Revolution Soft X highlighter palette and I'm going to mix this pink highlighter with this golden highlighter. I'm going to use my fingers to apply my highlighter. So I have mixed them and now I'm going to apply it. So I'm just going to blend it, okay, with my fingers. And trust me, blending your highlighter with your finger gives the nicest glow ever. I'm also going to put a little bit of highlighter on my inner corner. So I'm going to apply a very basic nude lipstick. I'm using this lip liner from Beauty Glazed. This is called Expose. I have overlined my lips to give a fuller lip illusion. Now I'm going to apply this nude lipstick from Mars. This is called Elegance. In the center, I'm going to use this lip liner. This is also from Beauty Glazed. This is called Red Wine. Finally, I'm going to curl my lashes. My mascara has dried. Now our makeup is done. So this is my final look. See, all I want to say, you do not need some extraordinary skill or high-end products to create a glam look. I created this look with all drugstore product and some are even more affordable than drugstore product. So you can achieve a very good look with affordable products and without any skill as well. You don't need to know how to do a perfect wing eyeliner or how to do cut crease or how to do contour. All you need to do is just try. So try this look and let me know how you like it. Okay.